Hello and welcome to another update video about Gala. Yeah, so only wanted to focus here on the short term. Price did so far what we wanted it to do. In the last video, I highlighted to you that we have a possible 5-wave move to the upside in a wave 1 in the yellow wave count. So we said we can give the bullish scenario a chance, even though we need to be on the lookout for lower prices at this stage still. But we can certainly give it a chance, which is why I gave it a support zone to get into in both the bullish as well as the bearish scenario. So in the bearish case, we had an ABC structure to the upside highlighted in white, and we would have reached the yellow support zone anyway, because in the bearish count we would break through, make a new low. In the bullish count, the idea was to have 5 waves complete or nearly complete. I calculated for you this support zone between 0.0023 and 0.0203. And the idea was that in any move down, price should get into this region, especially after breaking the trend line. Price has now reacted to this support area, and it will depend to a degree on Bitcoin, but we see a first reaction to the 50% retracement. So looking at the option here of the yellow count, which is the bullish wave count, which would allow for a breakout, the move down could have been the A wave now. Yeah, it certainly came down deep enough for an A wave. We could now do a B wave rally and then hit the C wave lower in wave 2. This is certainly one likely scenario. Let's add to the chart the resistance for wave B, which would be here, standard resistance for wave B, which is all the way up to 2.72 cents. What does that mean? That means that if it's a B wave, it should react and head down lower in wave C to complete a wave 2, or even head down lower in the bearish scenario. However, the resistance can also be used as a signal that wave 2 is already in. So obviously tracking the yellow count here at the moment, the idea is to get into this region now. Possibly to retest the trend line if the bulls are strong enough. And if the bulls can break above 2.72 cents, then it's a signal that the third wave is already running. As always, don't be so much bothered about the micro count. This is really just an idea. We use the micro count to understand the pivot points like this one, the resistance. Yeah, if broken, then we are in the third wave already, likely. Important are these support zones. And when price reaches them, price can always turn around. Could be the wave 2 here, or the wave 2 is here. I would prefer a clearer 3-wave structure, and then we have support at 2.2 cents or 2.03, but it came down deep enough for a wave 2. It doesn't need to come down any lower. If I look at the length of this possible wave 1, which took a couple of weeks, then a sell-off within a couple of days or 3 days is a little short. So again, I would prefer a clearer 3-wave structure. That is sort of my take on this at the moment, but a break above 2.72 cents would indicate that we are already in a third wave. And what would be a target for a third wave? It might be a little bit too early for that, but nevertheless, we talk about the 1.618 extension. So that third wave here should reach at least the 4 cent level basically, okay? But it's very early. We always see at the moment are a few green candles, and at best this is a diagonal, okay, the move up. And we can't really trust them, these diagonals, until price breaks above the beginning of the wave 1. So that would be a strong confirmation that something bullish is going on here in a third wave. If price breaks above the wave 1 higher at 2.83 cents. And if it does that, it should head to 4 cents. There will likely be some resistance around the 3 cent region here. And then this A wave high at 3.55 cents. But if we really are in a third wave, price should reach here the 4 cent level next. That would be what we need to see to follow the path higher. All right, that's my update about Gala. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.